back to the channel. The 21st of January, we are going to take a look. Aerodrome Finance will drop into Bitcoin. We've had some whip-sawing of events in Bitcoin the past day. Two big whipsaws yesterday in Bitcoin, and definitely a couple here in Aerodrome. If we take a look here at the Aerodrome chart, this is from Coinbase, and this is the US dollar pair. We had the market's attempt to break out on Sunday. Big candle wick above the market. Boy, oh boy, are they keeping this neckline here from this head and shoulders as some pretty solid market resistance. I mean, failed attempt on Sunday. Got pushed back down pretty good yesterday from the 123.5. You can see this level here pushing the price back down, all the way back down to just about 108.6, which is where we find ourselves today. The market is finding support here at the 108.6. Guys, that would be good. We don't have too much further before things start to get a little bit dicey here for this chart. Let's take a look at the 3-minute time frame real quick and show you how the price here is trying to recover that 108.6 level. We'll see. Broke through it pretty solid. It got pulled back up to it. We'll see if this wedge here plays out to the downside, or if 108.6 can act as market support. As far as below the market, guys, we have it's basically $1, 1.005 would be where the next level is. So if we start to tumble below 108.6, keep your eyes on 1.005. Really want to see this thing print a higher low, and this could be potentially one of the areas that does that. 108.6. It could be down here at 1.005. As far as that, if it starts to tumble below that, the next area I have on my charts is down there at 82.57. So that would be taking out this very important low here from the 13th, and that's what I'd be looking for. And that would actually be a lower low, not a higher low. We're looking for the higher low because we want to see the change in trend back to the upside. The change in trend, the trend right now is lower. This is a still holding as a major lower high, and what we're looking for is we want to see this market print a higher low, and maybe it happens today at the 108.6, if not 1.005, and then below that, guys, if we take out these lows, like I said, from the 13th, things are going to get ugly, and there's a good chance we'll find ourselves pretty quick down there at the 82.57. So that is that for Aerodrome. You know, Bitcoin has attempted twice now to break out and hold. We did make new all-time highs for Bitcoin in the past day, I believe, maybe 2 days. We'll take a look at that in a moment. And they have failed. They have been a big whipsaw event and reversed hard. So we'll see if, you know, the party is over, or if it's going to give it another shot to break out and hold and, you know, put in a new trend to the upside is what we're really looking for here. So we'll see, you know, if Bitcoin turns and does break out, there's a solid chance we're going to see Aero follow along with it or soon after. And it's nice to see support showing up at the 108.6, but you want to see it hold. So, and you know, more than likely we'll see a higher low if that's the way it's going to play out, right at one of these levels. 108.6, 1.005. Maybe the lows here from the 13th, but you know, yikes, I'd be careful there. The odds are very strong. We make a new lower low and head down to 82.57. But still in a downtrend, guys. Major lower high here. It's tried multiple times, so we'll see if it can get back up there again. Just want to let you guys know here that the way I look at the markets, this market has been in trouble since the 18th of December, when it put in a major lower low on the 18th of December. This thing flashed warning signs. Hey, heads up. You Now I'm taking a breather. I'm going to consolidate. I might even be putting in a trend to the downside. In hindsight, we can look back and say, yeah, that's what happened. But there's a good chance a lot of people were not locking in profits in this area, this $1.80, roughly 85, 86 range. But that's where I saw warning signs for Aero. Be careful, guys. This thing's putting in a lower low after a double top or a triple top. If you go back in time and look at where it put in its old previous high. Anyways, we'll see if this thing can reverse and start back to the upside here. But it's going to depend on what Bitcoin does and the rest of the markets. Let's go over to Bitcoin BTC USD. It's up $100 here. So if we take a look, the actual Bitcoin price, let's see here. So yesterday, Monday, put in a new all-time high, 109,358.01, and closed all the way back down in the lower end of the range. So we have market support at 106.49. You can see these candle wicks here at that level. And then you can see the resistance at my other level, 104.622. So this thing is just whipsawing in between these two levels. It'll be interesting to see here who wins the battle. We're going to take out this high here. Now we got to take out this high to make a new all-time high, 109.358. It's very possible, though. I mean, this thing's tried. This is a very bearish candle here. It engulfed the previous 2 days and closed lower. This is a big whipsaw candle, although we did close higher. And today is very, very quiet. Inside day, higher low, lower high, support at 106.49. Things acting odd, but we'll see what happens. We just had a transition in power as the president. Yeah, who knows? Whatever. I don't follow the news much, but that was what's taking place yesterday. We have markets open across the board today. Stock market will be open today. Of course, cryptocurrency markets are open. But anyways, we're going to keep an eye on yesterday's high at 109. If we can break that, guys, maybe we'll start to head up towards the 116,834. But we'll see here. This thing it gave it a good shot and then got pushed back down. But let's see if it can give it another shot. Thanks for watching, guys. If you are not yet subscribed, join us here. A ton of viewers are not yet subscribed, so join us here on the channel, and then you'll see these updates on your feed when the videos are posted. Have a great day, of course. Not financial advice.